The idea of this international workshop started from a meeting between 3 universities that had that question mark on their heads on how we can be innovative in architecture, how we can make students encourage in new ways of designing.
The idea it was to work in city scales, and it came because we come from different realities. That is the one in Mediterranean scale, that is Barcelona. We come from the Chinese scale, where everything is about the skyscrapers. And then we were interested about the scale, the tropical scale.
So we planned this workshop as a relation between sustainability, scale, and social understanding of an issue of each of the cities.
In this workshop, we focus on the whole city plan. We do some project in city planning, so the content of the project is quite different. It's a quite new experiment.
One of my favorite topic in public spaces is how people are societies occupy spaces within an empty plot, and how they define their own borders or everything.
In this Barcelona edition, the students are studying some solution for the super block.
And we each got assigned a part of the site. It's a super block that we split into 6 groups, and we each got a street in between 2 intersections. And what we had to do was we had to go there, we had to analyze and identify all the problems that we could find. It could have been sound pollution, traffic, littering. There were a lot of problems.
So they try to analyze what is working, not working now in the city, and try to create an intervention that can make a better city.
We started with some lectures from directors and teachers. Then we had been some buildings, how the project began, how the idea began, and merged with the area, the surroundings. And some offices as well, how is in real life the projects they do, how they think, how they thought to do this, their management and everything.
We have done a lot of activities actually. Basically, we have done studio work, which was just us building this, doing this urban intervention, which is what we have to do for this workshop. But we have done a lot of other things as well. For example, we have done a lot of visits around the city. We have done a lot of, city tours, museums, sightseeing. We basically got to know Barcelona in a very personal way.
There are 2 kinds of visits. One is when you come by your own and you are a tourist, and another kind of visit is when you come like an architect and you start to see the reality like an architect.
I think without this workshop, I cannot enter so many great architecture by myself.
As an architect, I think it's very interesting to see all these different buildings in Barcelona. You see how Antoni Gaudí was very much inspired by nature, almost as if nature is his muse,
Yeah, I think it's a continuous experience, from the site visit to deep in our work. So we have the opportunity to see the site and experience the site, and the tutors can tell us what's special in the site. So it's really helpful to our the project that we can't have that opportunity in our our courses in our university.
What we expect that they learn is how they can work in different environments, and how they can get in the different realities, different backgrounds that they can use in their own projects.
It's just, I would say, a challenge, and I love challenges. And in the architectural world, I discovered, it's a lot of challenge, so it's a good improvement for the career.
It's a unique opportunity to meet with people from all around the world and hear about other perspectives.
It's a very international workshop. We count around 13 countries between students and also tutors. So it's very diverse. And this, I think, is what makes the power of this workshop.
They learn how to exchange information and how they can learn from the realities of the others. In not only the part of the living, the culture where they come from, but also the approach that in the different schools we have.
Collaborating with students from different countries and meet different kind of professors will help you to have a better knowledge of your professional practice.